Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2005 V-Star 1100 Custom. This bike has approximately 20,000 miles and is offered for $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a really cool bike. It's got some nice custom features on it. Has a custom black and red flame paint job. Also a really cool rear fender that swoops all the way down. Has aftermarket pipes on it. Also has some leather saddlebags, some Kuryakin grips. Bars have been risen a little bit. Has some driving lights up front and also a taller windshield. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on the bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.